Welcome to the Heidelberg Project, founded in 1986 by artist Tyree Guyton as a response to the economic challenges and urban decay facing the Detroit neighborhood. At first, the project consisted of Guyton painting a series of houses with large, brightly colored dots. It now continues as an ever-evolving work that has transformed a fearful inner-city neighborhood into one in which the neighbors take pride and where visitors are welcome. The Heidelberg Project's vision is to inspire people to appreciate and use artistic expression to enrich their lives and to improve the social and economic health of the greater community. Not without its share of controversy in its 36 years, there have been elements destroyed by city-sponsored bulldozing as well as a string of arson fires, but the Heidelberg Project has endured and become one of the most visited cultural sites in Detroit.